everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara and today I am touring Hooker Falls and possibly Triple Falls, I'm not sure. But I'm down in DuPont Forest in, basically it's southwest of Asheville. And I'm excited to show you the waterfall, so let's go take a look. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit more info on this area. So one thing I want to say is definitely come early if you want to come here. It's Sunday today, and we literally had to circle the parking lot for 45 minutes to find a spot. And also, so Hooker Falls is the one that I just did, and that is a 0.9 mile out and back trail, so 0.4 in, 0.4 back. I might do Triple Falls too, I'm not sure, but that one I think is a mile round trip as well, out and back. So really not too bad, and it's the same parking lot for each one. So yeah, that's my latest update. Alright, I decided to do the Triple Falls hike, so that's what I'm working on now. And I'm not there yet, but I think this is the lower part of Triple Falls. So I'll keep walking on this trail and let you know what the view is like. Alright, I just hiked to the lookout at Triple Falls, which you probably saw. Now I'm hiking down this extremely steep part of the trail. The last bit is really intense, and it goes a lot further, but I didn't end up doing way more. I really just did the half a mile to the lookout and then walking back to the parking lot. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this place. It's gorgeous, and there's tons of little places to picnic on the rocks. And I would definitely recommend it. Alright, here's a close-up of the map. So, let's see, I did this part of Hooker Falls. You can see right here where the parking is. So that, and then also this to the lookout for Triple Falls. Alright, just finished both trails, but I wanted to show you guys the parking lot situation. So, it's I think around probably like lunchtime. And it's completely packed, so definitely come here early in the morning or during a weekday if you want to check it out. Hey everybody, I don't know what I'm gonna say. I was gonna do an outro, but now I'm thinking I have to explain where I am, and I don't know where I am. Hey everybody, alright, I have left the two waterfalls that I was at earlier, and I'm actually on some really random gravel road that's like 6 miles long with no service, so I don't really know where I am, but the view is beautiful. As you can see behind me, there's a gorgeous creek, and yeah, I'll show you a little bit of this area, but I am going to sign out the vlog here. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and just touring around the waterfalls near Asheville. There are so many to see if you like that kind of thing. Like I said earlier, there are like 200 in the Asheville region, so definitely look them up, and there's all types of trails too, like 1 mile, 5 mile, 10 mile, like anything that you want you could find here. So that is everything for today. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Share this with anyone you think might enjoy it, and comment below. Let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see in the future, and I would be happy to film them. Alright guys, see you in the next one.